Hey guys, so I'm gonna do just a quick unboxing of two quick boxes. I actually got two of them from Influencer. I know exactly, I kind of know what it is. One is Redkin and then Estee Lauder. So my first box that I did get is Redkin. Let me see if I can. And I'm supposed to, of course, um, review them on the site and all of that great stuff. So the first thing, so it is a dry shampoo, I believe. This is Redken Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. It refreshes maximum oil absorption. Um, and then of course, like it's just all that. This is what it looks like. So it has like a really nice packaging. It looks like it's like been sprayed and stuff. So I think it's really cute. I'm excited to give this a try. I don't do a lot of like um uh dry shampoo because I sweat daily, mainly because I do my workouts. You guys see my workouts every day, or at least try to see it every day. But so this is the first one is the deep clean dry shampoo. Oh, and by the way, the only oh, excuse me. The only reason why I'm down here, downstairs, because George is just a pain in the butt right now. So yeah, so I'm excited to give this a try, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so the next thing is Estee Lauder. Not entirely sure what this is. This is the Fast Visible Repair Plus Youth Generating Power Now for Eyes, new advanced night repair eye concentrate matrix, exclusively for me or for you from Influencer. This is for reduces the look of lines and wrinkles in every eye zone, under eyes, crow's feet, and 11 lines between brows. Oh, okay. So that's cool. Oh, wow, that's really tiny. So this is what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like inside. I hope you're not pooping. Well, this is a really tiny bottle. So I'm excited to really give this a try and implement this. Doesn't really have a smell. Implement this in my skincare routine. So I'll give it a try tonight and I'll tell you how it is as well. Let me see how. Ooh, ooh, it has like a really nice, like flowery smell. So that's it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing from Influencer. Influencer is an app that you can go on and you can be able to do reviews of any of your makeup that you have, or it's not just makeup, skincare, hair care, nails, um, house products, baby stuff, all the kinds of stuff that is out there available. And you guys can literally just review it, and then they'll send you um, skincare, hair care, makeup, whatever you guys have that you're interested in, and they'll look for you and send it your way. So right now my campaigns that I'm doing is hair and skincare. I'm hoping to do some more like makeup related. I've been getting a lot of skincare stuff, but who knows? Because that's all I post is makeup. All right, you guys, that is it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure that you give me that big thumbs up. And not only that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button as well so you are also notified of all the posts that I make as well. I hope you all have a fantastic day and you guys will see me later on throughout the week, hopefully. Um, Heads up though, my mom is doing a little bit better as well. Not the best, but it's getting there slowly, like snail pace slow. I'm hoping that, like I said, this week I can post my new giveaway or that new um a new clip or to announce the new winner, and I will, yeah, I'm hoping. I have like a lot of plans I have a lot of plans this week. So I will see y'all soon. Sorry for the crappy lighting. Sorry for the crappy area that I'm in, but George literally is a pain in my butt right now today. He was actually a rather good kid today, and he's just being a butt. All right. Yeah, I think that's about it, you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.